Hey boys and girls, it's Miss McGowan. In phonics today, we are going to talk more about syllables. Alright, so we remember a syllable is the vowel part in a word, and it's when our mouth opens when we get to that part. Syllables are going to help us learn to read bigger words. Before we start that today, though, I want us to review all the vowels, okay? Because vowels are super important whenever we're talking about syllables because you can't have a syllable without a vowel. So let's go over them really quick. So A, E, I, O, U. So these are the vowels, and now all the other letters in the alphabet are called what? They're called consonants, okay? So these are the vowels, and all the other letters are consonants, okay? So back to what I was saying, today we're going to learn how to read two-syllable words. We're going to do that by breaking them into smaller parts. This will help us to learn how to read bigger words. Okay, so let's look at this word. All right, so you might be thinking, oh my goodness, this is such a big word. I don't know what this is, but I'm going to show you an easy way to figure it out, okay? So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to look at my word. I'm going to look at the letters. Now, I want to find the vowels in this word, okay? What are the vowels in this word? They're just I, right? But there's two of them, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a V. Uh-oh. Hold on, my lights went out. Okay, so like I was saying, we're looking for the vowels in this word, and we said there are two vowels, but they're both I, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a V for vowel because vowel stands for V, right? It starts with V, I'm sorry. So vowel starts with V, so I'm going to just shorten it, and I'm just going to write a V right here, okay, above my vowels. So that's what I'm going to do. And now I'm going to draw a line from my vowels, or in between my vowels, okay? So there's my line. So you do V for vowel, and I drew a line to connect my vowels, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the other letters in the word. Okay, so all these other letters are called consonants, right? These are the consonants. This word has two consonants in the middle right here, see? With the vowel I on each side of it. You see that? In the middle of the word, here are my two consonants, and I have a vowel here and a vowel here, okay? So we divide words like this between the consonants. I see a C and an N between both of the vowels, I. So I'll divide between the C and the N. So I'm going to draw a line like this, and I'm going to divide it, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to read. We're going to make, like I said, we're going to split it apart so we can read this whole word, okay? So I'm going to cover up, this is a syllable, and this is a syllable. So I'm going to cover this up. So this says pick. Okay, so remember that in your brain. This is pick, and this is nick. Okay, so I'm going to take this away, and now let's read that whole word, okay? Picnic. Picnic. So do you see how when we split words up into their syllables, it just makes them into little tiny words that we can eventually put all together to make one big word. Okay, so remember, we looked at our vowels, and then we looked at the consonants in the middle, and we split them, okay? So let's look at some more, okay? Let's look at some more two-syllable words. let's look at the word, this word. Almost said it. Okay, so like I said, let's first things first, let's find the vowels in the word, okay? Is this a vowel? No. Is this a vowel? Yes. So I'm going to put a V. Is this a vowel? Nope. Is this a vowel? Nope. Is this a vowel? Yes. So there's my V. Is this a vowel? Nope. Okay, so I'm going to draw my line to connect my vowels. Okay. Now, here's my vowel here. Here's my vowel here. And look what's in the middle. Those two consonants. Okay, so if you remember, you're going to divide the consonants apart. You're going to split them between. You're going to put a line between them. Okay, so now let's practice reading these smaller word parts. Okay, so this says it, mit. And this says tin. Okay, so now we're going to read the whole word. Mitten. Mitten. Okay, let's do some more. Let me scoot this over so you can see it just a little bit better. Uh-oh, hope you were able to see my other words. Okay, so first things first, we need to find our vowels so we can make our syllables, okay, to make our words easier. So is this a vowel? Nope. Is this one? Yes, it is. So I'm going to put a V. Is this one? No. Is this one? No. Is this one? Yes. So I'm going to put a V. Is this one? No. Okay. So now I'm going to connect my vowels. Okay. Now, here's a vowel. Here's a vowel. Look at the two consonants in the middle. Do you remember what we're going to do? We're going to split them. We're going to draw a line between them. Okay. So now it's going to make this word a lot easier to read. All right, you ready? Up, pup, et, pet. So the word is puppet, puppet, with two syllables. This little thing right here is a syllable. This is a syllable. This little chunk right here, it's a syllable. It makes it easier for us to read these bigger words, okay? So let's look at this word. All right. So let's look for our vowels, right? Is this a vowel? It is. All right. Is this one? Nope. Is this one? Nope. Is this one? Yep. There's my V for vowel. Is this one? Nope. Is this one? Nope. All right. So what we're looking at now, we're going to look at the letters between the vowels, okay? So that's what we've been doing. Now, there's my vowel and there's my vowel. Look at these two letters right here. These aren't vowels, so these are called what? Consonants. So these are my two consonants, and I'm going to split them apart to make my syllables. All right? So there's my line down the middle. Okay, so here we go. Let's read the first part. In, vent. So the word is invent. Invent. Okay, we're going to look at just a couple more, and then you're going to have a turn to do this, okay? All right, here we go. Let's look for our vowels. Here's my vowel. Here's my vowel. I'm going to make this, okay, a little shorter. Okay, so now I remember we got to draw a line to connect our vowels, and look what's in the middle. In the middle of our vowels are what? These two consonants. So we are going to split our consonants to make our syllables. And now we're going to be able to read this word a lot easier. Ready? B, ass, bass, k, et. So let's read the whole word. Basket, basket. Okay, let's look at one more word. Okay, now let's find our vowels. That's the first step, okay? This is not one. Here's the vowel. That's not one. That's not one. There's one. There's my V, and that's not one, okay? So remember, we got to connect our vowels with that, okay? And now, look in the between our vowels. What do we see? 2 consonants. So we're going to split our consonants, and now we're going to read this big old word. This is rab, rab, it, bit. Read the whole word. Rabbit, rabbit. Okay, so now what you're gonna go do is whoever's helping you, they're gonna write the word for you, and then you're gonna split it just like I've been doing. You're gonna find the vowels, connect them, and then you're gonna split the consonants, and you're gonna practice reading these words. Okay,